Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a leaked Manchester City home shirt for the 24-25 season. This shirt was purchased from ssdays.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. SS Days were the seller that I got the Manchester United leaked shirt from. So fingers crossed this one is a good shirt too. I have already seen other variations of this one, so my assumption is this is one of the early pre-releases. I've not got it out of the bag or anything yet, but I know on some of the newer ones they've got like darker sleeves, so we'll see what this version has. I also think this is the player spec one, because these look to be like printed on, heat pressed on or glued on, so we'll take a look at that in a few moments. If you're new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. We do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, this is the leaked or early leaked Manchester City home shirt for 24-25 from ssdays.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt, and it's just got a standard V-neck collar, the black stripe around it. On the sleeves we have the gold Premier League patch. We have no room for racism and the Puma kit manufacturer all been heat pressed on. Puma here has been heat pressed on as well. It's got more of a vinyl feel to it. And the Man City badge, that's very thin. So this is an early leak. So actually if you were to go on SS Days now and look for the Man City shirt for 24-25, you'll get the newer version of it. So the link to this one actually takes you to the newer shirt. Etihad Airways been heat pressed on. That's a little bit rough. At the bottom we have the authentic licensed football, and just a cutout there with the breathable material. We've got ultra weave on the side, and then you've got the cutout again. On this side, if I can get my hand under it, we do have, I guess that's a sleeve sponsor. And then we've got the Puma again up there, which is vinyl on. As I said, this is the early leak, so there is a new version of it now, which if you were to go on ssdays.com, you'll be able to pick that one up instead of this one. Okay, I'm on the back of the shirt now, and we have City printed at the top there. We've also got the Puma underneath, which obviously if you push it down here you can see the tag as well, so you know how lightweight and see-through the material is. It's like a contrast between the colours. I don't know if it's because of an early leak and they've got different material. It's got the same on this side as well actually, it's the same pattern, just a different colour material. I'll put my hand through, you can just about see it with the light. No name and number or anything, as it was a leak. And I've said this leak has been proven now to not be correct. So I will get another version of it, and then we can have a look at the proper one. Okay, we're now on the inside of this shirt, and there you can actually see now what I was saying about a different sort of material, different colour. But with these early leaks, you do tend to see a lot more, let's say, mistakes and things you wouldn't see normally. Although the Man City badge has gone on really well, likewise the Puma. Etihad Airways, that was quite rough on the outside. Inside it feels a lot smoother. We do have a product tag down at the bottom, the Puma. And where we had our, I can't remember actually what it said now, authentic licensed football, that's actually been glued on. You can tell it's been glued on because you've got the darker rim around the outside. I'll say though, for an early leak, stitching on it actually looks pretty much on point. I can't fault it at all. Yeah, as early leaks go, this is a pretty good one. Okay, we've got the final part of the shirt now. Collar line just carries on around. It's just got the standard band around there. That was the City that we had on the back, and then the Puma size XL, made in Thailand. You get the standard tag for that, the Manchester City one, a Puma one, and then an ultra weave one. I think if I push in here, can you see? You can't really, you can just about see, but not overly well. But the material is lightweight. Not a lot to really call out on this side. Actually, that's a bit there. And being a darker tag on the other side, that's more noticeable. But yeah, nothing really to call out on this side because no name, no number or anything. And there we have it. There is our Manchester City leaked home shirt. So this is a pre-leak to the one that's now been released from ssdays.com. There is a slight difference to this one to what's actually the leak now. I think the leak now's got like a darker collar, it's got some darker bits on the sleeve. But what you'll do is if you were to go to ssdays.com and search for the leaked or the 24-25 Manchester City home shirt, it will bring up the new one, not the one that I've got here. So this is a pre-leak to the one that's come out recently. So I will leave in the description a link to ssdays.com. I'll also put on there a link to DHGate as well, because I know a lot of people still like buying from DHGate. So I'll leave a link to this item on DHGate from the seller that I normally use, because it will then give you the opportunity of going to them and maybe seeing what other items they've got as well. So yeah, I'll do all that for you. So I hope you have enjoyed this one. So it is a pre-leak, so I know it is different to what's out there now, so please don't put loads of comments saying this isn't correct. I know it's not, but I still want to get the video out there to show you what some of these pre-release shirts look like. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you very much for watching. The seller, ssdays.com, details for them in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.